on to example 3 from section 6.4, writing the equation of a linear function given its graph. So we're going to write the equation. I have two examples up here for us. We want it to be y equals mx plus b. So we need the slope and we need the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept in both cases is pretty straightforward. I have -3 will be b for this one, and this one is 1. Pretty basic, I hope, and obvious. So we're taking the y part of the coordinate. So this is kind of hard to see. That says b equals -3. Here, b equals 1. Get rid of that red marker. It's not doing much for me. So now I get to figure out my slope. So I start at a point, and I'm going to go down 1, going from -2 to -3. -1 over 2. -2 to 0. So my slope is -1 over 2. Here, we're going to go from this point, and I'm going to go up from -3 to 1. So I'm going up 4 over 2. So my slope is 4 over 2. Now you always simplify it, so my slope is 2. So now we have everything we need for the equation. We've got m, we've got b, we've got m, we've got b. So this one, y equals -1/2 x minus 3, because b is -3. Here, y equals m, which is 2, x plus b, which is 1. So that's it. You should be able to, as long as you have the y-intercept and you can figure out the slope, you can write the equation in slope-intercept form from the graph. It'll get a little tougher when we get into other ways to write the equation, but for now, as long as you have the y-intercept and the slope, you've got an equation.